There's an eagle, bald eagle flying. After quite a difficult, maybe an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes, with people I do dearly love. Behavior, different story. I've been feeling, and the first bird I see is a hawk, and the second one is a bald eagle. So look at things differently from the eagle's point and the hawk. Right now, if any of you can remember what the hawk symbolizes, right now find it hard to find inside my head. Anyway, it's just help bring me back a little bit and to remember what I wanted to speak to you guys. Well, kind of. So when you're going through it, can you remember to notice something beautiful? Anything. The way the sun glints off a piece of glass or a window, or the way the snow falls, or the way the branch is bending, or the way the dog smiles. It doesn't matter. If you can notice that, you're doing fantastic. And if you're finding a hard time to notice anything, hopefully this gives you something to snap your mind out and bring it back to you. And if you can't, it's okay. It takes time. It takes practice. And you're doing fantastic. Everything and every step that you're doing is amazing, and I am in awe of all of you. Oh, Masanis.